Hello. Let's get my dog over here. Come on. Come on, sit. It's a good girl. It's part 9 of the road to the rank 3000. Not much has changed, but I'm on a hill. I'm on a hill. Bit different. No COD today. No gameplay. Some news. My friend, he's gone. He's on holiday. So it'll be just me. So I've just stepped away from the gameplay for 1 second. I'm in the middle of nature for once with my dog. Don't do this much, but I should. That's the topic today, nature. Oh, it feels good. Fresh air. Dog loves it. Going crazy. Chasing the sheep. And eating the poo. I don't know why she does that. She doesn't know how to fetch yet either. But it's good. She's laying down. She looks cute. She looks cute. That's basically it. I'll be still doing some behind the scenes COD, I think. Don't know if I'll record the video gameplay without my friend because it's not as fun. But I'll still be doing it in the background. She's eating grass. Whatever. Whatever, really. Yeah. So I'll just step away for the time being. Do some COD in the background, get that rank. All you can hear is win. Get that rank all the way down. Then when my friend comes back, count the gameplay, boom, rank 3000 done. Road to rank 3000. Not much has changed, except for I'm doing these videos a bit differently now. Look at Layla, look at that face. Eating grass. Stop it now, Layla, you've had enough, Layla.